Hello friends, if you are someone who hears about Git and Git migration in your organization or in the industry itself and you have no idea what it is and why it is done at the first place, you are not alone. In today's episode, we will have all your questions answered and dots cleared. So stay tuned and let's crack this together. Let's start from the very basic. What is a version control system? A version control system is a system that records changes to a file or a set of files over time so that it can be recalled at a later time. It allows you to revert selected file to a previous state, revert the entire project itself to a previous version, compare changes made to the file over time, and see who made those changes. In general, it means if you have screwed up the project or have lost files, it helps you to recover the project. But on top of having this version control system, we also wanted to collaborate, and this is what brought into existence two of the major version control system what we have in market today: the centralized version control system and the distributed version control system. The idea behind the centralized version system was collaboration. This system have a single server which contains all the version file and a number of clients which check out from that central place. This setup offers many advantages over the local VCS. For example, everyone knows to a certain extent what everyone else is doing, and also the administrator can control things to a greater extent as compared to a local VCS. However, this setup has some serious downsides too. The most obvious is the single point of failure which the centralized version system represent. If that server goes down for an hour, nobody can collaborate or even save their version changes into the system. If the hard disk gets corrupted and you don't have proper backup of the project, you lose almost everything except what is there in the local system. The local VCS also suffers from the same problem. Whenever you have one central repository where you have the version history, you always have the risk of losing it. This is where the distributed version control steps up. In a distributed version control, clients don't just take the snapshot of the project but the entire project along with all its history. So in case if the database containing this file gets corrupted, you always have the backup on all those client machines which contains both the files as well as the history. So you don't lose anything here. In short, every clone is a full backup of all the data. Furthermore, many of these systems provide ways to have remote repository which helps to collaborate users in many different ways. Now, after understanding the basic difference between a centralized version system and a distributed version control system, you can easily guess in what category Git falls. Yes, you are right. Git is a distributed version control system, and due to some of these features along with some of its added feature makes it the first choice of any developer. Let's have a look at some of the killer feature of Git which makes it stand apart from almost all VCS in the market today. Git allows you to create and merge files seamlessly. You can create as many branches as you need and either merge them or delete them as per your requirement. It allows you to switch branches seamlessly. Just because Git is based on distributed version control system, it is faster than any centralized version control systems. And since Git allows you to check out the entire project along with the version history, it allows you to commit codes even offline. Git also provide better data security as compared to any other version control system, and it being a free and open source software makes it a cherry on the cake. So now you should be able to understand what a version control system is and what makes Git so special. Hope you find this video informative. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.